All right, we're gonna show you how to make a beautiful rocket, 2-liter Diet Pepsi, Mentos, and piece of tape. All right, take a look. You want 3 Mentos. Don't use more than 3, it's too much. Won't react right, don't do less than 3, exactly 3. You want about 8 or 9 inches of tape. Okay? Scotch tape works real good. What you want to do, and I want to fold that over so I can find the end again, but what you want to do is put your 3 Mentos, the regular old blue ones work great, right down at the end, right here. 1, 2. Now you want them in the middle, if you can get them there, of the tape, because this is going to go in the bottle, the mouth of your bottle. And finally, the 3rd Mento. Take your tape and wrap it up like so. So you have the tape, the Mentos are taped on each end. I'll show you what we do with this in just a second. All right. And it's going right in. And we tighten. All right, then you're gonna wait a minute or 2, and we're gonna launch our rocket. Okay, we waited a minute or 2, here we go. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Ready? We're good. Oh, there's people. This way? Okay, one more. Ready? Nice and high.